Creating a faceless Minecraft YouTube channel with AI and automation is a creative endeavor that can help you stand out in the vast Minecraft content landscape. In this video, we're going to explore how to create a faceless Minecraft YouTube channel using AI and automation. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with creativity, automation, and the endless possibilities of AI-powered content creation. Let's start with understanding what we mean by a faceless channel. It essentially means you, the content creator, remain anonymous, with your identity hidden. Minecraft gameplay is perfect for this, as you immerse your audience in the virtual world instead. First is creating a YouTube account if you don't have one already. Setting up a new YouTube channel is straightforward. The first thing you need is a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it by going to gmail.com and clicking Create Account. Once you have a Google account, sign into YouTube. Now we need a name for our YouTube channel. You don't need to worry about this because we will be using ChatGPT AI to create one. Now head over to ChatGPT and prompt generate catchy YouTube channel names for my Minecraft channel. As you can see, we have a lot of names to choose from, so pick your brand name and head over back to YouTube channel creation page and enter the name you chose. In this case, I will be using. Now click Create Channel. This will take you to YouTube Studio. You'll have the option to use your name or create a custom name for your channel. Make your choice and click Save. You're now in your channel settings. You can upload a profile picture, create a channel description, and add links to your social media. Make your channel visually appealing and informative. Make sure your username is unique, memorable, and related to Minecraft in some way. So the next thing we are going to do is creating our channel logo and banner. This will be an easy and quick process because we are going to be using an AI tool called Canva. Start by signing into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one for free. The site has a free plan, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. Once you're in Canva, click on Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube logo or YouTube banner and choose the appropriate template. Let's start with the logo. You can use Canva's drag and drop interface to personalize your logo by adding your channel name, a tagline, and choosing colors and fonts that reflect Minecraft style. Canva offers a vast library of Minecraft graphics and icons. You can easily add them to your logo to make it unique. Just search for Minecraft keywords, choose a graphic, and drag it onto your design. Once you're satisfied with your logo, click Download to save it to your computer. You can choose the file type you prefer, and then click Download again. Now, let's create a banner for your YouTube channel. Use the same drag and drop interface to add your channel name, images, and any other elements you want. Canva templates are already sized correctly for YouTube, so you don't need to worry about resizing. However, ensure your banner looks great on all devices by focusing on the center portion. Once your banner is perfect, click Download and save it as a high-quality image file. This time, select JPG as the file type for banners. There you have it. You've successfully created a professional YouTube Minecraft logo and banner using Canva for free easily. These visual elements will help your channel stand out and leave a lasting impression. The second step is harnessing the power of AI to craft engaging scripts and video titles for your Minecraft videos. There are two methods of script writing that I am going to be showing you. The first one is using AI. AI-powered script writing tools like ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, structure your videos, and create compelling narratives. To begin, let's brainstorm video ideas. You can interact with ChatGPT to generate a list of creative Minecraft video concepts. Just provide some initial prompts, like Minecraft video ideas for beginners, and let the AI generate ideas for you. Review the ideas generated by ChatGPT. Select the most interesting and feasible ones. Remember to consider your target audience and what type of content they'd enjoy. Once you have your video idea, it's time to create a script. ChatGPT can assist in generating an outline or script for your video. Provide key points, narration, and essential details, and let the AI help you structure the video. Write or use ChatGPT to craft engaging narration that keeps viewers hooked throughout the video. Share tips, stories, or insights that are relevant to your chosen Minecraft topic. Review and refine your script with ChatGPT's assistance. Ensure the narrative is clear, concise, and engaging. Edit for grammar, pacing, and continuity. The second method of script writing is visiting Google and searching for popular Minecraft topics. For example, I will be using quicklazyhustlers.com article on Minecraft video ideas for YouTube. So copy the whole article and head over to ChatGPT. On the prompt box, enter the whole article and ask ChatGPT to spin the article for you so that it becomes original. This way you can avoid copyright claims. Step 2 is AI voice and text generation. Now that you have your script, you can use a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs to convert your script into voiceover for your videos. To maintain the faceless aspect of your channel, AI-generated voiceovers are your best friend. These tools can transform your scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers with a variety of voices and accents to choose from. First, head over to the 11 Labs website and click on Get Started to access their text-to-speech platform. Next, simply paste your script into the provided text box. 11 Labs text-to-speech supports various languages, accents, and voices, so choose the one that suits your project. You can customize your voiceover by choosing the accent, tone, and pace of the voice. This helps your voiceover match the mood and style of your content. Before finalizing your voiceover, be sure to preview it. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments or corrections to the script or voice setting. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click on Export to generate your voiceover. You'll receive a download link, which you can save for use in your project. Step 3 is video recording and automating gameplay. For Minecraft gameplay, consider using screen capture software like OBS to record your gameplay. You can also automate gameplay by using Minecraft bots. These bots can perform tasks like mining, building, and exploring. You can even record these bots as they play and use these recordings for your videos. AI's capabilities extend beyond script writing and voiceovers. AI-powered video editing tools like Runway and Synthesia can help you create visually captivating videos without the need for complex editing software. These tools can generate footage, add transitions, and even incorporate animated elements to enhance your Minecraft videos. You can then use footage of Minecraft that you generated in Runway. This incredible tool allows you to generate stunning Minecraft builds using AI. Simply choose a style or theme, and Runway ML will create a beautiful structure for you from text. Step 4 is video editing. Now that you have your gameplay and voiceover, it's time to put it all together. You can use any video editing of your own choosing, but I will be making use of Filmora 12, which can help you sync your voiceover with your gameplay, add effects, and more. The first thing is to open Filmora and add the video clips and gameplays which you recorded from your game or generated using AI Runway ML. Add the voiceover that you created using 11 Labs. Now match the voiceover and video gameplays. After editing the video, export it and save it to your folder. The next step is creating engaging thumbnails. Don't underestimate the power of a captivating thumbnail. AI tools like DALL-E and Canva can help you create eye-catching thumbnails that will grab viewers' attention and entice them to click on your videos. Use AI to generate unique and creative visuals that represent the content of your videos. So head over back to canva.com since we already created an account. Click on Create YouTube Thumbnail and select any Minecraft image from Canva library. Increase the image size and then add some components to make your thumbnail more appealing. But keep in mind, do not add multiple components to your thumbnail. To make the thumbnail more intriguing, use fewer words and fewer elements. Step 5 is uploading the video to your newly created Faceless Minecraft channel and SEO optimization. Once your video is ready, go to YouTube, click on the create icon on the top right, and select Upload Video. Fill in your video's details, add thumbnails. We'll now create the video's title, tags, and description. Go to ChatGPT and write the greatest eye-catching title for my YouTube video on Minecraft video ideas in English. Now, choose a title. Simply copy and paste it into the title field. Return to GPT Chat and give it the order to write a short description for my YouTube channel based on this title. Wait a few seconds and your description will be ready. You should copy and paste it into the description area. Upload the canva.com thumbnail you made. Also utilize the YouTube search bar and the VidiQ tool to generate keywords for your video. Simply put all of the tags into the tag section, then pick video language and complete the remaining parts as desired. That's it. You've learned how to create a Faceless Minecraft YouTube channel using AI and automation. This approach allows you to produce content more efficiently while maintaining your privacy. Engage with your viewers through comments, social media, and consider doing live streams or Q&A sessions to connect on a personal level. Remember to stay updated with the latest AI and automation tools as technology advances. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful YouTube channel and entertain the Minecraft community. Thank you for joining us today on this journey into the world of AI-powered Minecraft content creation. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. Until next time, happy gaming.